So we just went and did some sprints and some burpees down at the local soccer/football field, and now I'm going to make some breakfast. So I thought I would do a wee tour, we'll show you, around the Airbnb place that we're staying at in Jamaica, and we're staying here for pretty much a month, so I will show you around. So we're just on the ground floor. There's two sections to the ground floor and we're in the bigger one at the moment. We paid for the smaller one, but we've been allowed to stay in here. So it's a pretty big place just for the two of us, and there's even a barbecue area around the back, and they say that next time we're here there'll be a, if we come back, there'll be a grocery store and another shop in a building in front of us, and there'll be a pool out the back as well. So yeah, it's pretty big just for the two of us. We paid about 800 New Zealand dollars for a month. That's actually for the smaller place, but we're, like I said, we're in the bigger one at the moment, and we'll be here for the whole month if the other guest that's supposed to be coming, or that may be coming, doesn't arrive. Otherwise we'll be in the smaller one, and I'll show you the smaller one if that situation changes.